Hi everyone, this is Cooking with Kurt. Today, my husband Donald and I are going to show you how to make champorado, which is a Filipino chocolate sticky rice porridge. I used to have this for breakfast growing up, and I'm excited to share it with you and Donald today.
You know me, tell me there's chocolate in it and I'm on board. This recipe was requested by our friend Chris Richards. Thanks so much for your request, Chris, and we hope you and everyone else enjoys this video.
Take a medium-sized saucepan, add in 1 cup of sticky rice, which is also called glutinous or sweet rice. And in case you're wondering, this rice does not have gluten in it because all varieties of rice are gluten-free. The word glutinous here just means sticky.
Ah, the more you know. So for everyone who has a gluten allergy, this is a gluten-free breakfast.
Yes, sir. We're also going to add 1 13.5-ounce can of light coconut milk and 3 cups of water. Turn on to medium heat and stir occasionally to prevent the rice from sticking to the bottom, and heat till the water starts to boil. When the water starts boiling, turn the heat down to medium-low. Be sure to continue stirring occasionally to prevent the rice from sticking to the bottom.
We learned that lesson when cooking with sticky rice when we were making biko. Never stop stirring because the sticky rice likes to get stuck to the bottom.
Exactly. When the rice has softened a bit, about 5 minutes of boiling, add in 3 tablespoons of Dutch processed cocoa powder and an optional 1/4 teaspoon of espresso powder. Continue to stir to mix in the chocolate. If needed, break up any clumps of cocoa powder using the back of 2 spoons. Continue cooking on medium-low heat while stirring occasionally for about 15 minutes.
The espresso powder will help bring out the chocolate flavor, but it's optional, so if you're not able to find it or it's not available, you can leave it out.
Champorado is traditionally made with tablea chocolate, derived from the Spanish word for tablet, which is made out of ground cacao beans and formed into discs. These may be difficult to find outside of the Philippines, so today we're using Dutch processed cocoa powder. Unsweetened natural cocoa powder can also be used for this recipe, but we prefer using Dutch processed cocoa powder for a deeper, fudgier flavor. After about 15 minutes on medium-low heat, add in 3/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk. Mix it in completely and continue cooking while stirring for up to 5 additional minutes as needed for it to reach your desired consistency. If you prefer to be more liquidy, you can turn off the heat as soon as you add the sweetened condensed milk. Transfer to serving bowls and add an optional swirl of additional sweetened condensed milk on top as a garnish and to adjust sweetness to taste. Ang sarap!
Yum.
So good. This takes me back to my childhood breakfasts.
Oh, the chocolatey flavor goes so well with the sticky rice. It reminds me of chocolate Rice Krispies.
Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know in the comment section below if you're planning to make this champorado. Send us pictures of your dishes on Facebook and Instagram. The links are below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Cooking with Kurt.
And don't forget to click on the bell so you get notified when we post new cooking videos. And for our written recipes, be sure to check out cookingwithkurt.com.
Maraming salamat!